AI video content is everywhere right now, from cinematic reels to those wild influencer clones, making it a critical skill to master. If you are not living in this world every single day, trying to keep up with the constant fire hose of new apps and models can feel completely overwhelming. You might find yourself wondering which tools are actually worth your time, or how to write prompts that don't just produce total nonsense. After years of experimenting with complex AI pipelines, I have realized everything comes down to three foundational pillars: methods, consistency, and precise prompting. Stick with me, and I will show you how to act like a director and turn your long-form videos into endless viral clips using Vizard so you stop wasting hours on manual editing. The first foundation is understanding the different ways to generate video, starting with text-to-video for those quick, magical experiments. You type a prompt like "an explorer discovering a dragon," and the model delivers, which is fun but lacks the control you need for real storytelling. That is why I recommend image-to-video as your primary method, because it uses a reference image to anchor your character and lighting perfectly. This workflow keeps your story consistent across multiple shots and makes maintaining continuity so much easier than starting from scratch. Then there is elements to video, which is like baking, where you combine clips of yourself with AI assets, though it can be tricky to get right. Use this method primarily for stylized effects or when you have one super strong visual anchor that the AI model can latch onto effectively. Lip syncing is the essential tool for creators who want talking avatars, allowing you to turn static images or raw footage into professional presenters. Finally, we have video-to-video, which acts like motion capture by letting you drive an AI character's performance with your own physical movements. This is where Vizard becomes your secret weapon, as it is perfectly optimized for the long-to-short pipeline that every creator needs. Most creators underestimate the sheer time it takes to find the gold in long videos, but Vizard automatically snips those viral moments for you. Now, let's talk about the second foundation, consistency, which is where most beginners unfortunately crash and burn. To keep characters looking the same across different shots, you need to create a character reference sheet to treat as your visual Bible. When you generate new shots, always upload that reference sheet and tell the model to use the same visual style to ensure everything matches. You can also generate your environment plates separately, keeping the background locked while you simply swap in your character poses. Third foundation, prompting, which is truly the craft of directing an AI, so avoid vague descriptions and think like a film director. Keep your motion descriptions slow and controlled, because AI models generally struggle with chaotic, fast-paced action sequences. Use specific phrases like static camera or medium close-up, and repeat them if you really need the AI to pay attention to your framing. If you are struggling with complex crowds, just reduce the number of subjects per shot, because AI often glitches when dealing with too many limbs. When you are ready for volume, you need to stop manually editing every single clip and start automating your entire distribution pipeline. Vizard truly shines here because it analyzes your long-form footage to detect the exact moments of highest energy and engagement. It auto-edits these highlights into snackable, viral-ready clips, which saves you days of repetitive, mind-numbing manual trimming. Plus, its auto-scheduling feature means you can queue your posts and let the system handle the publishing without you having to babysit it. The content calendar allows you to preview your entire week of shorts, tweak your captions, and deploy to multiple platforms from one dashboard. Vizard isn't trying to do everything perfectly, but it solves the biggest bottleneck in the creator economy, turning long videos into high-volume short content. Let's walk through a typical workflow. Record your long live stream, run it through Vizard, and let it propose dozens of ready-to-post clips. Pick the winners, refine them with a quick prompt if needed, and queue them up in the calendar so your audience gets consistent content. Always remember that garbage in equals garbage out, so clean up your audio and use high-quality base images if you want the best possible output. The field of AI video moves fast, but the trick isn't hopping on every shiny new object. It's building a repeatable workflow that scales. Don't burn yourself out trying to be a human editor for every single clip when you can automate the grunt work and focus on big creative choices. If you want a practical, non-gimmicky solution to manage your short-form distribution, Vizard is exactly the tool you should be testing this week. So, go make something big today. Upload that long stream and watch how quickly your audience responds to that level of consistent output. You will be shocked at how compounding works when you stop spending your whole week editing and start spending it creating what you love. The difference between struggling to find the time and scaling your brand is just having the right automated pipeline in your toolkit. Take these 3 foundations, master your methods, keep your visual identity consistent, and automate your delivery with Vizard. This is your moment to stop being a human editor and start being a professional creator. So get out there and build something viral.